Alright, so we got a new Hot Wheels 9 package.
Nice.
We're going to race all the cars. There's 9 cars in there. We're going to race 2 groups of 4. We're going to go ahead and eliminate the fantasy car. So why don't you go ahead and open that up, buddy?
Okay.
While he's opening that up, we're going to race on our circuit. Got our start gate still. We changed the end of the circuit a little bit. We kind of left the bottom so that it's not permanent. So we leave the gate with 4 cars. Into the first bank, into the S's, into the first big bank, down the hill, into a small bank, and into a bank underneath. Final stretch, and that's going to be the finish line when we hit through the cones. A little bit of a capture turn there. You getting it, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is hard.
Is it hard?
Yeah.
You've been waiting to open those all week. You've been excited.
Yeah.
Here, let Dad help you out there. Oh boy. Dad's got to open it up. All right, why don't you slide the sleeve out?
It holds the cars.
Yeah.
Nice.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Let's go ahead and put them on the ledge over here. Let's see what we got here. This guy. It's a nice, pretty purple and black paint job.
Oh, that's cool.
Mm-hmm. That's a pretty cool car right there. I'm not quite sure what it is though. It doesn't say what it is, but it's a cool car. It used to be called Fished and Chipped. It was a British car.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm. Then we got a nice Volkswagen Bug, a nice Volkswagen Beetle. It's a newer one. There's the Volkswagen Beetle. Awesome. I think he's gonna race against, it looks like an Acura to me. Yeah, that's an Acura.
Oh, this guy has
Acura NSX. That's a sharp black paint job.
This guy has a suspension.
Uh-huh. This looks like a Ford Thunderbolt. Like a 1964 or 65. Yeah, it's a Ford Thunderbolt. Sometimes Dad can't even read the writing, so that one's pretty cool.
Yeah. Awesome.
It's got some sharp wheels on there. We got a 55 Chevy. Nice white one. Looks cool. The fantasy car, we're going to set him off to the side because usually those got a clear advantage. So we're not going to race him today. Got a Corvette.
He's awesome.
Yeah, a Corvette convertible. It looks like a Datsun pickup truck, or maybe it's a Chevy Love. Nope, that's a Datsun pickup truck.
Nice.
We're gonna race them up against those guys. And then we got a Porsche.
Let's put this guy.
Yeah, looks like a nice 1980s Porsche. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna set the tray off to the side. You can use those to store your cars. When we're done, we're gonna race 2 cars. 2 groups of cars, and then they're gonna advance to a final round.
Okay.
We're gonna race these 4 guys. We're gonna race from the left, the Volkswagen Beetle, the Corvette, the Acura, and the Porsche. And then the second group, we're gonna race. It's gonna be the Datsun. We're gonna call him Fish and Chipped because Dad has one of those somewhere. And then the Chevy and the Ford. We're gonna race 2 groups of cars today.
Nice.
So it's gonna be pretty cool. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep a point system today. First place in each group is gonna get 4 points. Second place is third. Third place is 2 points. Last place is 1 point. So our first group, we're gonna have the Ford, Chevy, and then we're just gonna call them the Fish. All right, so we got our grid. It's gonna be best of 4 races. We're gonna have Ford, Chevy, the Fish and Chip, and the Datsun. We're gonna rotate the cars in the lineup so everybody has a chance at the pole. and then we'll total up the points and we'll see who the winner is in the first round. Sound good? All right, we're gonna line them up. Why don't we go ahead and line these cars up and we'll get our first race going.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna do these 4 cars first, buddy.
Is there a...
Yeah, we're gonna get our gate up. Gate is up. All right, race 1.
Yeah.
We're gonna do this, race 1. Are you ready, buddy?
Yes.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
And they're off. Ford has the early lead. Chevy breaks out though. Datsun in second. Ford's coming in backwards. Chevy is your winner. Datsun in second.
He made it.
Ford in third. And then Fish and Chip in fourth. All right, so let's look at our points board. Chevy, he had 4 points. The Datsun was in second, right?
Yep.
Ford, 2 points. It's kind of hard for Dad to write on this little board. Fish and Chip gets 1 point. All right, gate is up.
I'll record you.
So it was Ford on the pole, right?
Yeah.
So let's see. So Chevy's gonna get the pole. Ford will be the outside lane. I think we'll put the Datsun behind the Ford. And then Fish and Chip behind the Chevy. All right. First one to hit the barrels wins. There you go. That's pretty good. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
And the Chevy is gone, followed by Fish and Chip. Look at that, final turn. Fish and Chip, followed by Chevy, followed by Datsun. And the Ford is on his roof.
He's over there.
Oh boy. All right, let's leave him on the track till we got him written down so we can remember.
Yeah.
He's got his second win, 4 points. Dad's got to pick it up. All right, and then Fish and Chip, he's actually got 3 points. He did a lot better this time.
Okay.
The Datsun has 2 points, and then the Ford, he doesn't spin very well. His axles are not very good. Dad was hoping that was going to be a better car. So right now, so the Ford has 2 plus 1. What's 2 plus 1?
3.
That's right, 2 plus 1. So the Ford has 3. Chevy has 4 plus 4. What's 4 plus 4?
8.
That's right, 8. Fish and Chips has 1 plus 3. What's 1 plus 3?
4.
That's right. Datsun has 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2?
5.
That's right. 5 points. All right, so we got some pretty good racing going on here. Chevy's got a really strong lead though in the first half.
Yeah.
All right, Chevy and the Ford need to go to the back row now.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and we're gonna put the Datsun on the pole.
Okay.
He's been stuck in the backpack the whole time. Chevy's gonna go,
At the back.
or the Ford's gonna go back here. Then we're gonna put Fish and Chip on the outside row. And then the Chevy is gonna go to the back of the pack. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, race 'em.
And they're off. Datsun in the lead, Ford on his tail. Oh man, the Chevy just barrels through. Oh my goodness, we forgot to put up the barrels, but that's okay. All right, so the Ford's off the track. The Datsun is in second. Fish and Chip in third. That race looked all kinds of messy. I thought the Datsun was gonna take it that time.
Yeah.
All right, so let's line them up on the board. Chevy already has 12 points.
Oh my god.
In second place on his roof is gonna be the Datsun. He's got 3 points. The Fish and Chip is gonna have 2 points. And then the Ford up here, he's only coming away with 1. Right now the Chevy's out in a big lead right now.
Oh, nice.
All right, so we're gonna do final race. All right, let's pick them all up. Gates are up. That Chevy's just, he's got a good set of axles or something. Okay, so we're gonna do Fish and Chip on the pole. Datsun on the outside. We're gonna do the Ford in the back of the pack. That Datsun truck's pretty sharp. I actually like that truck.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. They're all lined up. This is the last race. All the points go to the winner. Are we ready?
Yes.
3. You count it down.
3,
And they're off. Fish and Chip out in the lead. Chevy's on his tail. Dotson's pushing. Look out. Oh, Fish and Chip actually takes the win that time.
Okay.
Look at that. The Chevy, the favorite, is on his roof. Ford in third. And Dotson is back here.
Nothing.
Little bit of collision. Well, Fish and Chip gets his first win in the final round. So he's got 4. And then second place was the Chevy. So he's got 3. No big deal though. He did so good in the first 3 rounds.
Yeah.
And then let's see, we got the Ford. He actually gets 2 points. He has not been having a good day, but he showed up. And then the Datsun gets 1. Okay. So that's our board right now. So, can you do the math on all this, buddy?
Okay.
All right. So, you know that 4 plus 4 was 8, right?
Yeah.
You already figured that out?
Yeah.
What's 4 plus 3?
8.
Nope.
Wait. 7.
That's right, 7. You corrected yourself pretty quick. So that's a total of 15 points. Kind of hard for Dad to hold the camera. And, right. All right, the Ford has 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 2. That only works out to 6 points. The Ford did not have a good round today. All right, so we know Fish and Chip had 4 points before. So in the last 2 rounds, he had 2 plus 4. What was that, buddy? 2 plus 4.
6.
That's right, 6 points. So what's 6 plus 4? 10, that's right. We got 10 points for Fish and Chip. And the Datsun, 3 plus 2 is 5. We knew that. What's 3 plus 1?
4.
That's right, 4. What's 5 plus 4?
9.
That's right, 9 points. So, after the first round, all right, so the Chevy walked away in the first round.
Okay.
Second place was Fish and Chip with 10. Datsun in third place with 9. And the Ford with only 6 points.
That's not a lot.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and grab the Chevy. And he's going to be our winner.
Nice.
Yeah, so he is going to be the winner of the first round. So first round and second round winners are going to race.
Nice.
So that's the first round winner right there. Nice, sharp looking, classic car. All right, buddy. So let's go ahead and we're going to put those cars away. Let's put them back in the tray that they came in.
Okay.
Just so we don't get confused. It's sitting over there on the table. And then we're going to go ahead and give ourselves a clean board. We're going to race it and we're going to write our next race down. All right, so next round we're going to have the Volkswagen, Corvette, Acura, and then a Porsche. Okay, so that's going to be our race. We're going to go ahead and give ourselves a quick grid here. Line up those 4 cars any way you want. We're going to have the Acura on the pole to start. We have the Corvette on the outside. We're going to have the Porsche, then the Volkswagen pulling up the pack. All right, here we go. They're going to go through. Are you ready?
Yes.
Count them down.
3, 2, 1, go!
And they're off. Acura in the lead, followed by the Porsche. Look out, Acura sideways. Porsche's coming in. Look at that, it was Acura, followed by Porsche. The Corvette left the track, so we're going to give third place to the Volkswagen. Place. So let's go ahead and give the Acura 4 points. The Porsche is going to get 3 points. The Volkswagen, 2 points. And the Corvette gets 1. Remember how we lined them up. Lanes, we're going to give the Acura the pole position.
Yeah, he was.
Or I'm sorry, the Corvette the pole position.
He was
Acura in the outside lane. Yep. And then I think we're going to give this Porsche over here. And I think that that is pretty fair from the positioning we had in the first round. Go ahead and line up the barrels. Yeah, these cars, they go fast. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
And they're off. Whoa, look at that. Acura's pushing his way through. Look out. Corvette gets the win. Yeah. That was a good race. Acura was pushing his way through. So it was the Corvette in first place. He blew right through the barrels. Acura with the gold Porsche right on his tail. And then the Volkswagen Beetle rounding up the pack. First guy to get through the barrels is our winner. Count us out.
3, 2, 1, race it.
And they're off. Volkswagen in the lead. Gold Porsche comes flying. Whoa! Porsche is your winner. He was driving a little bit dirty there. That's where we're at right now. All right, let's line it up in the final round. That was a good race. We're going to put the Volkswagen on the pole. That's going to be our lineup for the final race.
Get the barrels.
Yeah, go ahead and get the barrels set back up, buddy. Here we go. Final round of this race. 3, 2, 1, go! Gold Porsche, followed by the Corvette. The Acura just flipped over in the backstretch. Wow, Gold Porsche. Followed by the Corvette, followed by the Volkswagen. And then the Acura, he flipped over. Wow, he was gonna be a favorite, I think, but he lost it in the end. All right, the Corvette has 3. This round might be a little more interesting. 1, and then the VW. Okay, buddy. Oh, we had 4 in the, or I'm sorry, we had 3 in the first 2 rounds. And then what's 3 plus 2?
3, 2, 5.
That's right. So we got a total of 8. 8 points for the Volkswagen. The Corvette had 5 in the first 2 rounds. And then what's 1 plus 3?
4.
That's right. So what is 5 plus 4?
9.
That's right. 5 and 4 is 9. And then the Acura had 4. Dad's really messy 3 there. So the Acura had 7 in the first 2 rounds. He was going to be the favorite. And then 2 plus 1 is 4. So what's 7 plus 4 is 11. Right?
Yeah.
So the Acura has 11 points. Okay, so we know we had 5 in the first round. What's 4 plus 4?
4. 8.
That's right. So he had 8, okay? 8 in the second 2 rounds, and he had 5 in the first rounds. So we're gonna do the same thing, okay? We need to add 5 to 8, right? So this is 8. 9.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
That's right, 13 points. The Porsche is your winner. So it's gonna be Porsche versus the 55 Chevy in the final 2 rounds. All right, buddy, so this is gonna be the final round. Our winners of our first 2 rounds, it's gonna be the 55 Chevy versus the gold Porsche. All right, partner, you're gonna go ahead and work the button. Dad's gonna do his best to focus and get some really good racing going.
3, 2, 1, go!
And look at that, Chevy's out to an early lead. Porsche gives him a shove. And the Chevy is the winner. Big surprise, big surprise. There was some beating and banging going on there. All right, let's line them up. Chevy goes on the outside lane. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and line them up differently this time. So the Chevy's gonna go here.
This guy's gonna go.
Yeah, Porsche gets the inside lane. Track looks pretty clean. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, race them. And they're off. Porsche, he's gone. He turned on the nitrous oxide. He's spinning out though. Oh, the Chevy passed him up. Chevy has 2 wins. This race is gonna be big, big surprise. I cannot believe it. All right, so this is best of 5. So the Chevy has 2 races now. The Porsche has no races. So if the Chevy wins 1 more race, that's it. Let's line them up. We're gonna switch lanes. I don't know, we might have to inspect that Chevy a little bit closer. Let's go ahead and put the gate back up. Whoop. Chevy goes on the inside this time.
Wait.
There you go. We might have to inspect that Chevy. He looks like he might be cheating a little bit. I don't know. All right. 3, 2, 1, race them. And they're off. Ooh, Chevy held up at the line. Porsche gets going out in front. Look at that. Ooh, the Porsche is your winner. So we got 1 race for the gold Porsche, 2 races for the Chevy. We're gonna switch lanes. Here we go, Porsche, inside lane. Chevy on the outside lane.
3, 2, 1, go.
And they're off. Porsche, he's gone. Look at that. He turned on the nitrous that time. Porsche is gone. Chevy hung up back there a little bit. All right, so we're 2 and 2.
Okay.
So I think Chevy gets the inside lane again. And the Porsche. All right, Dad's gonna step back. Ready? I'll count down. 3, 2, 1, race them. And they're off. Chevy's got the lead. Porsche flips the Chevy over. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, the Porsche. Dirty, dirty driving. I don't think we can call that an even race. I think, man, I don't know. What do you think? What are the rules on that, buddy? Porsche is in the lead. Chevy's on his roof.
I would say we would try that over.
I think so too. I think we got to do that over. That race does not count. All right. So Chevy gets the inside lane.
Thank you.
Yeah, Chevy gets the inside that
Wait.
time. There you go. This race is a complete do-over. All right, Dad will count it down. Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, and they're off. Chevy's got the lead. Porsche's on his tail. Porsche's coming. Chevy's spinning out. Oh, look at that. Chevy crashed out. I think we have to give it to the Porsche. So I think the Chevy was just all in his way. So that's your winner. Why don't you show me that car? Nice, that's your winner. That's it for today. Yeah, that was a good time. I like doing that. You okay? Need a nap now? I need a nap. I could use a nap. How about you? You want a nap? I need a nap. Oh!